John's Mustang just sitting out there in the freaking snow with the windows down. Gonna install some parts today on it. He already got the feels installed. Doesn't look too bad, all lowered down. Dragging shit. Knocked the quarter out, knocked it out up here, knocked the door out. It's just coming along nicely. Well, I'm kind of a crappy YouTuber and haven't been updating this or filming any of the shit that's been going on, but as you can see here, it's got the arms on. So these were just factory Ford arms that you modified yourself, right?
FR 500 Ford racing arms, yeah.
Okay.
Stronger. Ford FR 500 or GT 500 arms.
Okay, so the Ford Racing GT 500 arms, and then you can see he extended them. And then we got the Massive Designs bump steer kit.
So that's max angle that way.
That's pretty wild.
Well, obviously, like you have to make the tie rod connect.
Yeah.
Stop.
Right. So I mean, you're going to be probably a little bit less than that.
I think it'll be about that. It won't be this much angle. It won't be 70 something back because I don't have enough room.
Right.
There.
There's clearance issues there.
Yeah.
Look at your rotors. Some hot spots there.
I fried the rear diff in this thing going 130 to the airport.
Well,
Thursday night. Yeah.
this poor pony, she's been through a lot, but she's about to see a whole hell of a lot more. Coming down. Like, I don't even know what the hell is going on right there, but we're not going to worry about that.
What? My frame or the wiring?
Oh, just everything.
I didn't do that. That's all I want to say.
Yeah, this is purchased as is.
I
I didn't get video of it either that night, but he got his new, well, lower control arms on, huh?
Yeah, lowers and uppers.
Oh, and uppers, that's right.
Adjustable.
Is it a different panhard bar, or?
So it's a white line panhard bar, a white line upper, and then the J&M lower.
Okay. And then obviously the field coilovers.
Yeah. The nicest parts I've ever put on. It's so good.
Oh, the thing's a whole different animal now, but
yeah. A little bit of my tie rod. I want to make my controller longer.
so you're just out of.
Yeah, so it would have a bit of toe out. It would be like there, all with the tie rods all the way tightened.
Because I mean, there's no adjustability left in that bad boy.
So I'm just gonna lob a half inch or an inch off of the inner tie rod, which makes this stronger anyways. Because like the less tie rod you have
to bend,
and there's less leverage there to bend. Yeah, they're stainless though. You guys should. If
these
you
are
can,
stainless.
Yeah, if you can step up to these tie rods on your Mustangs, you should.
Dang,
they're stainless.
That's nice.
So they are stronger, and then like they don't bend as bad. Like you saw how mine bent, and we could bend them back, and they still drove.
Yeah, surprisingly.
Yeah, you can do that with iron.
Heck yeah.
Yeah, the wiring job underneath here is a little questionable, huh?
Yeah, there's some wiring things that's like. He says it drives funny in the snow, and that's not just a traction thing.
I think it's tune issues. I think that the air's too dense, like and too cold. Like I don't think it's fucking ever been ran at that.
Yeah, it probably doesn't know what the hell to expect.
Probably just like got a hole in it.
Well, I mean, when you have
around it's like 20 degrees, the car
20 degrees and you get gorgeous weather like this.
We're
just
drifting tomorrow.
Yeah, we're supposed to be drifting tomorrow, so doesn't look like that's going to be happening at this point. Unfortunately, I don't know. I'm not the one to make the executive decision, but
Still work on this car, so we're just working on it anyways.
We'll get her.
So the tire hits the control arm because I'm running a 265 right now. So
she's
we
rubbing.
have 100 treadwear, 235s, 18s from the, was it Cosmo Mucho?
They're 245s.
Oh, they're 245s.
Yeah,
okay.
I think.
Yeah, but that's still a 10,
it's
10 millimeter each side.
Skinnier.
Yeah. And then
Or 20 from what you have, because you have 265 and go down to 245, so yeah.
It's almost an inch narrower.
Yeah, that's going to be a big difference.
And then we actually don't hit anything. We hit the frame. But
So
I
there's
think
a
the
skinnier tire and a spacer, you'll be fine.
Yeah. Well, and rack stops. You know,
Yeah.
the nice thing about having the proper alignment is having it so that the tire spins freely. You have clean lock. If you have like dirty lock at angle, when you throw the car in and steer, if you steer to where you're trying to like have the car move as fast as you can, right? And you apply the brake on one side, which is the tire hitting the frame, applies the brake, then you're gonna fucking lock up and spin. So you want a clean lock. So, and this car is going to have a bit of Ackerman at the moment because I haven't done anything with the knuckle. So it still has like 10 or 11 degrees of Ackerman or whatever this car comes with.
Damn, look at that thing.
Yeah. So that's the Maximum Motorsports camber caster plates all the way out
Maxed out.
Is that? So we're going to have to, as I told you, I'm going to have to put them in my mill and cut them out so I can slide the, we'll show you later. We'll show you at top.
Just so we can try to get that, reduce that camber a little bit.
Because they're made to go in, like the camber caster plate allows you to adjust them in, but not out.
Yeah.
Right?
Well, because nobody else is doing this kind of shit. Other than us drifty boys.
Yeah.
We're the only tards that...
Well, and if you go out with the upper part of the strut, too, you're moving the whole tire and wheel package away from the body. Which is kind of my goal. I want to be... I don't want to have a super crazy offset front wheel. I want the tire to clear the frame cleanly, and that's it. Like, that's my only goal. Like, I'm not trying to get all nuts with it.
Yeah.
So.
Yep, you don't want to be having rubbing issues like my car did.
Well, this car clearly did.
Well, yeah, I mean...
But he had stock control arms and cut knuckles and tiny tires in the front.
It's a little bit different setup. We're not playing that. We're not playing that game.
My ABS works. So, we'll use it every time.
Cross-threaded's tight, as they say.
Yeah, NASCAR him on there, bro. Come at it spinning.
Yeah, that looks pretty sick. Oh yeah, she clears.
What are we doing now? Body? Oh, that's just a... No, this is clean over here.
Yeah, she clean.
Oh, that means we gotta cut into the arm a little more.
Oh, she's rubbing.
Yeah. But it's a lot better.
Yeah, you'll have to...
at least 5 degrees more the other direction. And then we're going to have the tire, so we'll have more room.
Yeah.
So if I can make it stop there...
Yeah, skinnier tire with a stop, I think you'll be money. That's with a 1-inch wheel spacer, right? About,
yeah,
it's like a wheel,
I
1
think
inch.
1.5 inches is going to be the ticket.
Yeah, maybe a little bit bigger.
I've got to trim into that hard stop that I built because it's supposed to stop on the brake caliper, but it's actually supposed to stop on the nut. And I realized that I didn't like my measurements only work with the taller ball joint stud that you can buy from Steeda or White Line sells them, and it's supposed to correct roll center. So so the actual control arm length, right? Because if you have your car low, then your control arms are not set flat. So then you have toe change as your suspension compresses.
Right, because they're all angled upward.
If they're sitting at an angle and you compress up, the distance shrinks greatly. So then it's going to toe out a lot under compression. So right now it should be drooped down a little bit more. This is actually like the height I want the car at. So I want the control arm to be at like 3 degrees, 4 degrees, 5 degrees.
Dang.
Whatever.
Heck yeah. Good start.
Steering angle.
That's an angle right there. Angle of the dangle. Or as we call it in the Mustang world, stangle.
Angle? Is that a thing? That's gross, dude. Can you really say that?
I don't.
I'm not ready, dude. That's disgusting. Can we pick a new word?